achieving lasting happiness is a multifaceted journey that involves various elements of personal development, emotional intelligence, and life satisfaction. At its core, lasting happiness is about finding balance and contentment in various aspects of life. It's not merely the fleeting joy from a momentary pleasure, but a sustained sense of well-being that endures through life's ups and downs. Here are the 3 key elements to achieve this, and stick around for the last one, as it's the most crucial. One of the key components of lasting happiness is cultivating strong, positive relationships. Humans are inherently social creatures, and our connections with others significantly impact our overall happiness. Building and maintaining healthy relationships with family, friends, and partners provide emotional support, increase feelings of belonging, and help us navigate the complexities of life. Investing time and effort into nurturing these relationships through acts of kindness, effective communication, and mutual respect can lead to a more fulfilling and happy life. Engaging in meaningful activities is another essential aspect of achieving lasting happiness. This involves pursuing hobbies, careers, and goals that align with one's passions and values. When people engage in activities that they find fulfilling and purposeful, they experience a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction that contributes to long-term happiness. A healthy mindset is crucial for achieving lasting happiness. This involves cultivating a positive outlook on life, practicing gratitude, and developing resilience. A positive mindset helps individuals to focus on the good in their lives, appreciate what they have, and maintain hope even in challenging times. These elements, combined with the ability to adapt and grow from life's challenges, form the foundation of lasting happiness. Found this video helpful? Subscribe for more insights on personal growth and well-being. Share your journey in the comments below. Until next time, take care, stay positive, and keep striving for a happier, more fulfilling life.